Did you know that you can replace part of your income or all of your income with a calm monthly service that you can do from home? And this is what I call the 3 R's: income that's remote, reliable, and recurring. Hi, I'm Jerome in Boise, Idaho. I am a business coach for people over 50. And in my past, I've helped build 3 multi-million-dollar businesses. The last one, we took it from being a regular coffee wholesaler to a business online. And that's when I learned that smaller can be a lot better. And because you can turn it into remote income, and that's what most people need who are 50, 60, 70, even 80. They need some kind of income either to augment where they are in life or replace it. And that's what I help people do. So I'm so glad you're here. Likely, as you know, the surge of people leaving corporate America, the layoffs, the downsizing, maybe some of it due to AI, the changes in the industry is going on in the United States here in 2025. And I believe what we're talking about today will be relevant for the next 5, 6 years that are coming up. So I'm really glad you're here because you are looking for a serious way of creating income for yourself, your family, your grandkids, your kids, travel, all those kinds of things. And did you know you can take what you already know and create an income from it? So we want to get you away from trading hours for dollars, time for dollars. Instead, the new way of thinking is charge people for results. And when I talk about results, I mean, this might be something you can work just a couple hours a week. Because when you think back of the hobbies, the passions, the life lessons, the skill sets, all the things you've learned, you can repackage that and you can share it online. And that's what I help people do. In fact, down below, you'll see my link to my school, which is a built-in community of people that I help do exactly this. And you can go take a look at that if you're looking for some help. And if you want to do this on your own, I've got a sheet down below you can get. It's on the different ideas and this concept of creating a remote income that's reliable and that's recurring. So that's down below, and I'll just take you to where you can download that just for you. So feel free to use that as well. What I want you to do is use what already you know. And some things you might even do for free now, where you give advice at church. You're helping friends with projects. You might be doing some travel planning for people. Maybe you're helping people collect things. My cousin Danny collects old Studebakers, fixes them up and resells them. Maybe doing medical reminders for people. That would be huge, so they didn't have to do that. So these are kinds of things that maybe you've done in the past that you can take, and we can package that. I'll help you package that, help you reach out to people so they can pay you to do that. And it's so easy now to use systems like Stripe or PayPal to get paid, and all that money just goes right directly down into your bank account. And you can start just with $150, $250, $300 a month. But think about this. If you had 5 clients, 5 people you can help, and you charge them each $200 a month, guess that's $1,000. That's $12,000 extra dollars a year going to your bank account. And that's on the small end, on the light end, as I say. And there's many, many ways of making a lot more income than that. The key here is to do one thing. Focus on one thing first. You can do more than that, but to get started, I want you to focus on one thing. You might be like a micro virtual assistant, helping people with email, You might be a numbers buddy, helping somebody pay their bills every month. Or you might want to help people with their resume, getting that ready to go out. So these are the kinds of things, and there's tens of thousands of more that I want you to think about. So down below, grab that remote income path paper that I have for you. I want you to see it. You can fill it out. It's going to help you with exactly with this process. One of the things that I teach here, and I help you do this, is give your little program a name, a promise, and a scope. And so people can get it. Like in 10 seconds, they got it. They know how you can help them. An example might be a 30-minute call each week, one update, and a check-in. And, clarity beats being clever. Just be clear on what it is. The result is that you can help somebody with. We want to build a little steady rhythm as well. I want you to think about taking half an hour out for each client each week, where you do a check-in and you provide whatever service it is that you might want to share with them, where you can help them. And remember, down below, I have a remote income planner. So get that, download that. It's going to really help you see through and think through this process. And this is very low tech. This doesn't mean learning a huge amount of code or AI or anything like that. What I help people do is use low cost or no cost tools to help you make all this happen. And even if it's $1,000 or $2,000 a month, you can make much more than that. But imagine an extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month coming in. Oh my gosh, what an incredible difference that would make for you and your life and that of your family, right? And people always ask me, well, how do I get started? How do I reach out to people? It's really, really simple. You can send, in your first week, 10 to 20 notes, short notes where you say, hey, I am offering a simple monthly service to keep your bills handled, to keep your medicines scheduled. The first month is $99. I want you to check out my service. Would you like the details? That's it. You can text that, you can email that, and you can start that process. And then each week, just send out a little recap, text a little recap, or maybe email a little recap, and then say, hey, should I keep this on autopilot for you? That is your renewals engine. That is your recurring income. And imagine if you had 20 people like that at $99 a piece for a month. Most people are going to say, heck yes, if you can keep me on schedule, keep my medicines on schedule, or if you can come over, help me pay my bills, or what you can do is say, give me all your bills and I will get them all sorted for you, get them all ready to be paid online. That's something huge that families would love for you to do. And as you talk to people or you email them or you text them, you can just have these really great conversation lines like, I work in small, steady steps. You always know what's going on and when it is. If it's not useful to you, we can stop it at any time. No hard feelings. Those are the simple conversations. You see, that doesn't sound salesy. What it does sound is helpful. And you can tell people, hey, I'm not techie, so I'm going to use the phone and just call you if that's okay. Sometimes people like you might think, hey, I'm too old for this. But you know what? Your life experience can mean fewer mistakes and a calmer delivery. People love that. And you don't want to be pushy in sales. You don't want to be salesy at all. That's when you use a nice little warm intro like I'm talking about here. And everybody can do this. Anybody can do this. And when you have a special skill set where you help people learn how to quilt, learn how to sew, learn how to crochet, learn how to pay their bills on time. People love that and they want your help. These are the kinds of things I'm telling you that you can package, put a price on it, and get that out. And that's what my school does. If you want to join us down below, you'll see the link. Come on over, be part of the greatest community in the world of people that are just like you, who are 50, 60, 70, 80. And this is what they're doing. I'm helping them find different ways of creating income right from home in a very, very fun and easy way. And that's what I want you to think about. So think about my school community as a roadmap. I've got 12 modules in there to help you go through this process so you can pick, you can package, and you can price your monthly service. I have templates and scripts in there. I have a weekly rhythm. I do 2 lives every week to help people with questions they have. It's something that's really, really fun, and it can make you money. And you can stay with me for a month or 2, or you can stay with me for years. What's the price? It's crazy inexpensive. It's $59 a month. That's it. The cost of dinner for one and maybe a drink. That's it. So I want you to start really small. Pick one result that you want to help people with. And that's how you get paid, by solving a problem, by helping people. Run a pilot this week, 99 bucks. Down below, grab that remote income planner. So it gives you, it's like 3 pages, and it gives you everything here that I'm talking about, so you understand what's happening. So down below, grab that planner. Down below, get into my school. You can check it out for free. And then you can participate with all of us in our great community. And last thing I'll say is take care of yourself and take care of those around you. And if we all do that, we're going to take care of the world. So I'm glad you're here. I appreciate you being with us. Looking forward to seeing you in my school. Take good care, and I'll see you on the inside.